Good morning, TNS fam. Good morning, TNS fam. It's wedding day. It is wedding day. Okay, guys, so we are all currently getting ready. Some of the bridesmaids have started their hair. One of the girls getting her makeup done. I'm just like, guys, I'm so nervous. But I'm so excited at the same time. I'm gonna go fix one of my lashes that has fallen off. Gotta fix this lash here. I think there's a lash here falling, so I want to fix that. I was just gonna go fix these lashes. Okay, I'm gonna take you along with us on this beautiful day. My girl's getting married to Mrs Toma. So she's officially changing her name from Namula Ulu to Toma today. Okay guys, we're just getting ready. Bible in the makeup chair. Just what's your name? Hello. Okay guys, hair's done. And I'm getting my makeup done by Ella. Guys, hit her, what's your
Coco Glen, Samoa.
Yes, so if you're coming to Samoa, make sure you hit her up. She does bride tribe makeup. Guys, so this is the bride's father, and oh, poor uncle. You look very handsome. His one and only daughter is getting married today, and she looks beautiful, doesn't she?
Yep, she looks very nice, very happy. I think she deserves it.
Yes.
Good on you.
Good on you.
What's up, TNS family? So we're here on the day for Vaughn. Yeah, the big day has come, but I thought I'll turn it on because I don't think we're going to get much footage today because Cez will be busy in the line. Then I'll be trying to do a tour. Hopefully he doesn't run around too much. It's here at Tomesina. Looks crazy.
Okay guys, the next clip you're about to see, unfortunately Taru couldn't record off like our actual camera. So the next footage you're about to see, the quality is really bad, only because I've ripped the footage from Taru's Facebook Live. If you want to see the full wedding of my girl Lavon, please head on down to the description box and the link will be there to Taru's Facebook where you can watch the live.
Tuxx maala o tu. E te lofa pea ia te ia, ka whamawhana whana ia te ia. Hapa mawhalo alo ia te ia. E te puritua e iswa whine uma, ai tau lava o ia, e te tausi ia, a o soifua uma o lua. Creepy. They are for Falua, they go out of tomorrow. When I prepare to fall into my tell you the bond nam the Ulu. Over a lot of air in the lay a fine mouth, Sunday 5 point. Do what a mouth for Tassi, my ear in the day 5 point. It took some man or the Peter Lofa Pea Yatea, Mafama Fana Yatea. Ava mawhalo alo ia te ia. Pe te pui tua isi tane umana. Ai tau lava o ia e te tausi ai a o soi fua uma o lua. Aloha leo si o wa whine pe.
Alo loto lava lea.
pride, the Lord
Fam, so that was pretty crazy. We got rained on, but now I'm sitting with Bowen. Looking fresh, looking fresh. Dang. It was like a scattered shower, just man, it rained for like 10 seconds, bro, and I was soaked. So yeah, we're just waiting for the service to start. I don't know if I'm, like I said before, I don't know if I'll be able to record much because I'll be doing the live team media. So I went to sleep at a good time. He's looking very, very cute. He was real tired. Gave him his bottle as we were driving here and he just knocked right out. Alright fam, so the ceremony's just finished and man, it just started pissing down again. Bro, I'm telling you, I just walked out of the Fali like 10 seconds, bro, and I'm so. But anyways, yeah, we had to kind of like move in so we can get away from it. Here.
Hi guys!
All the brothers there. Brothers in the barn. Yeah, fit. Say bye. Bye. Alright fam. So we just got back from home. We went and dried our offals real quick. Shout out to my wife for packing her hairdryer. Done us a treat, so we're nice and dry now, but we kind of rushed back because Sanga was saying that everyone was going in, and we pulled up and there's a big line over there, so we sussed out a pretty good car park. But yeah fam, we will record more when we get inside because I don't have to run the live, I just need to run the vlogs. Let's go.
Go.
Where's our name, mate? Where's our name? There we go. So table 25. Alright, let's go. Table 25.
Wait up.
Alright guys, so we're in the reception now. We found our table 25.
On time.
Sanga.
On time.
And this big fella. So yeah, I think our mate's gonna do all the formalities then there, and then get on with the entrances. Looks like we're going in a good spot. I think they're gonna come right here. Bang! Also, I forgot to mention, Tor had a little bit of outfit change, so we still got the same top, but then my man's got the shorts on.
I would like to welcome you. Let's welcome the handsome boys, Ethan, Luca, and Buama. Now, next runner-up is the gorgeous Clever Girls, Candace, Lila, Ida, Olivia, Faith, Ines, Lenana, Toto, and Pearl. Why don't you welcome them in the house tonight? We welcome the bride of mine. First runner-up, Anna Marie Booney and Mark Mafici. Hey, come on, where you from? We have Revival Sienna Potter Molyneux. Yeah. And we have the third runner-up, Nessa Sinofor and Amato Tango. We have the fourth runner-up, Sera Simpson and Young Philly. D, Famina, and Jack. And let's make a warm welcome to the best men and the maid of honor, Kathy Tapuala and Unasa Iliu Fiui. To all our families and friends and all those who have traveled near and far, today in this very hour, as we stand, give honor and respect. Wala au whalu aku au fia, kato tu lani mai whamule mone. Lea o lea whasao ni mai lea mai mai fo. And now I would like to welcome the new couple we have all been waiting for. They have respected this opportunity. The new weddings, please welcome the beautiful bride lover and the dazzling groom,
Alright fam, that's all done. It's time to eat, but let's just get to the Let's go! Congratulations! Oh, look at the cake! Wow, so nice. Look. So we got here, we got taro, beef, chicken, and some fish. How's the meal, bro? How was your meal? Wonderful.
On the tele aso kitau fai mori atu le lofa ia te ia aso uma. E mate wha mawai na au i ngā ruenga i tai au e wha mawai le lofa. E mate whai ngā ruenga e wheteksa i le lofa. Nuia a ola i teimi mate ma lava i mate toi whi i whale i le lofa. O le winga o tama, o upu ia e masani o na ofa o ngā ina. Asa only left thing they are referring to honey, please drive safe, be careful.
Old boy's doing a toast.
We're doing the toast.
Yeah.
Bowen.
Yeah.
Hey Vontae.
We're ready.
Ready?
Yeah, we are. Hey, Bill. Tight. Yeah, I'm told out of my other part.
ngona ai le mita mita ina ua ka apa ia ina le
Yeah.
ua ka atonu o la mo onga sa fata I makafong ona o le halofa.
God is good all the time. And all the time God is good. Amen. Fatalo fatu le mamalu. Le paia tatoai le nei a fiafi. Ia o tali bele sua fi fai fai se moli mau a wala ma mo tanga ma le tamai tai fai fai ipu. Fataia I mau ngawau o paia Samoa. E amata mai I matafa nua sawa se ia paia si whanua le ala taua. O le anu nu atu whaatini o tau sala. Awa ele ngafa tau limaina e si o nei whaatau waa. Tulo lava. Ia whautai le tua le nei aso whapitoa, whaasino mo le unga li fau. I o ingoa o Kathy Unasa, o lo mana nofo nei ma le Berenice Mbone, Prince William. Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Yeah, they say, dice us off. Yappy, why don't you turn to your neighbor and say, relax and enjoy tonight.
Relax and enjoy tonight. Marco lele ua ulu ngafu sa koi mama Ingo ua ngasi ila fala sa kaya le lai I sanga ka ao se kulele ngai kai la kas o le la o sala ku kule maki.
You're gonna dig this.
Say 1, 2, 3, and then you slice. Okay, are you ready? Hey, are you ready? Yes, 1, 2, 3. You make us the day. Avale se tau bachi. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ina bachi. Ele marca de folha, yeah. Ou se tem um curso de faca, yeah.
Alright fam, so I've already done all the SIMPSONs and stuff like that, whatever. But as you can hear the orator in the background, they're doing the whakao. So yeah, I think we'll take one more little vlog out on the dance floor where we have a boogie or whatever. But yeah, congratulations, fam. And yeah, all the best to you guys. God bless you and everything that you do. And welcome to the best part of your lives, marriage. Yeah. That's a wrap, fam. We out. Goodbye.
Feel like sun on my skin. So this is love.